So I've been watching this Marvel Disney show MoonKnight, and I wanna be MoonKnight. Well, what I mean is I want to make an animation of myself transforming into MoonKnight, and I'm only going to give myself 2 days to do this whole project, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fail. I run a small advertising business and I had to deal with multiple advertising projects and now NFT projects all at the same time, which is why my last video took like 6 months for me to upload. But anyways, after watching MoonKnight, I really wanted to make an animation because I love the show so much and I wanted to do something cool. The show's finale is in like 2 days and I need to get this done within 2 days somehow. So let's get to work. First, I thought of doing this as an actual costume and use toilet paper as bandages to make the costume, but that didn't work out so well. So I had to go full 3D on this. So as the first rule of creating a cool character from scratch, I went online and googled MoonKnight to see if I can find any free MoonKnight models. But I couldn't really find something that is usable anyways, so I had to make my own. I created a small base mesh and created most of the armor around him and realized this is going to take forever. So I tried googling again and found a really good model finally. But I wanted to kit bash it all with the stuff I created, mainly for the transformation effect. So I was thinking of ways to do this transformation effect quickly, and the best way was using a transparent node and a displacement modifier in Blender. And I rigged the character quickly in Mixamo, and MoonKnight got some moves, y'all. And right then one of my clients called and I had to start working on a new project and had to put this on hold for a while. So a couple of days have passed since the final episode and we can't give up now. So I'm gonna give myself 2 more days to finish this somehow. Now I had to start shooting some scenes of me standing up and looking kinda gangster. And after that I keyed myself out of the background in DaVinci Resolve, but the lighting on the green screen wasn't that great, so I had to rotoscope me out as well, which took a long time. And for the final scene, I animated the character on top of me and rendered the footage out and color adjusted a bit as much as I can with the time I had, and there we go. Finally, after 4 days, we have this.
Rise, rise and live again. As my fist of vengeance, as my MoonKnight.
I know this is not perfect, like you can see the moon is on the left side and the light is hitting on my face from the right side. I couldn't do a lot of pre-production for this with the time I had, but I'm working on a Thor Love and Thunder video which is going to be pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for the next one. Bye!